It's a lovely day at TCIS and welcome to our Wednesday show. My name is Sun and here are the weekly announcements for Wednesday, January 31st. High schoolers, prepare to show your dance move. High school dance will be happening this Friday, February 2nd at the second floor gym. It is from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. Be sure to buy your tickets and don't forget to come. Rose and Chocolate Day purchases are coming to an end. The last day available for purchase is this Friday, February 2nd. You can buy them in front of the high school building. On tomorrow, February 1st, the local 8 club will be hosting a basketball tournament during lunchtime to advisory. If you are interested, the tickets are sold in front of the high school office. Go support your friends. That concludes the weekly announcements. Let's now see the varsity football tournament that happened on January 21st.
Hi, my name is Peem. Now we're at the soccer tournament at Berkeley International School. There are 8 teams competing in this tournament. There's Concordian, Wells, MUIDS, TCIS, Akamai, Berkeley, KMIDS, and ASB Green Valley. The AISA, or the Asia International School Athletic Association. It was founded by 6 international schools around Bangkok in 2017, which include Berkeley, Concordian, Akamai, KIS, MUIDS, Wells, ASB, and TCIS. AISA provides friendly league competition among member schools in a wide variety of sports and offer tournaments for basketball, football, and volleyball. AISA tournaments are open to schools who share same philosophy of respect, good sportsmanship, and fair play. How do you feel about the result?
I feel a little bit disappointed.
A little disappointed
Pretty disappointed, but I think we try our best.
because we should have done better, but also a little sad because the seniors are leaving.
I think we did a great job. We make a few mistakes, but overall, we did our best, and I hope the next juniors gonna make the champion next year.
It's kind of my fault. I tackled like the same person 3 times and got a red card.
My key moment is when I sliding tackle them and it's very good.
I scored 2 goals and 1 assist.
Maybe our goalkeeper getting injured and I have to be the goalkeeper for the whole tournament.
How do you manage to get a red card?
I was hungry for the ball. I was thirsty. I wanted to get a goal, and I was a bit too slow. Hit his leg. Unlucky.
For today, we end up getting a 6th place. We try our best. This is Peem reporting for WTV from Berkeley International School.
At least we try our best. Let's now hear the pleasant music performed by Strings and Choir Concert.
Hi, my name is Kit and we are at the String and Choir Concert. Let's see the performances. How long have you been practicing for this concert?
For about 1 month.
I think it's been a month since we've got back, but some of the pieces we practiced before break.
Probably since the school start because we have played this song once during the Patna concert during November.
Are you nervous while performing?
A little bit.
Yes, we're very nervous because this time the pieces that we have is slightly challenging for everyone.
I would say I'm nervous, but I need to act like I'm not nervous. I just need to breathe. But when I breathe in, my hand keeps shaking every time.
What advice would you give to people who might be nervous while performing?
You just need to practice a lot and also focus on what the teachers are saying in class and the little things in the pieces.
Just breathe in. Just concentrate and look at the note. It's fine. You don't need to stress about it. No one's gonna know if you're wrong. Just act like nothing happened, right?
Which song do you like to play?
The last song, which is A flat, because I have my solo, and also we also played that piece during the ISB concert.
I'm Kit reporting at 360 for WTV, signing off.
Wow, I really love the strings and choir concert. Let's now see the game that Smile prepared.
Hello, welcome to game. Guess what feature are correct, left one or right one?
Left one.
Yes, correct.
Left.
Yes.
Left.
Yes, correct. Yeah.
Left one.
Yeah, correct. Next question, left one or right one?
Left one.
Yeah, correct. Good.
Left.
Yes. Which one are correct?
Right one.
Yeah, correct.
Left.
No, it's right.
Right.
Yes.
Left.
Oh, no, it's right. Last question, this one are correct.
Right one.
Yeah, all correct.
Right.
Yes. Last question. Yes. Thank you. Last question.
Left.
No, it's right. Thank you. Bye. This is Smile signing off.
For any announcements, you can scan this QR code. I am Sun, and I hope you have a great day.